The seed of life. It is one of the most fundamental symbols in sacred geometry. Its pattern can be found throughout nature, hidden within many forms of life on earth. Today, we are going to explore one beautiful example of that connection, the sunflower. And to create it, we will begin with the seed of life itself. Start by drawing one perfect circle in the center of your page. Next, place the point of your compass on the edge of the first circle and draw a second circle. Move the compass point to one of the intersection points and draw another circle. Continue the same process, moving from one intersection to the next while keeping the same radius. As the circles grow, you will begin to see a natural, flower-like pattern emerging. Draw the fourth circle, then the fifth, the sixth, and finally the seventh circle. And there it is, the seed of life, the foundation of our sunflower design. Notice the almond-shaped space created where the two circles overlap. Use its center as a new starting point and construct another seed of life. Continue repeating this process outward until the full torus-like seed of life pattern begins to emerge.